In this video, we'll show you some tips that help you follow along in the lessons. YouTube makes it easy to learn at your own pace. To review a section, stop the video by tapping on the screen anywhere and then on the pause icon. To rewind to a section, hold your finger on the red scrubber and slide to the desired point. You can also tap twice on the left side of the screen to rewind 10 seconds. Tap on the menu dots and choose a slower playback speed from the pop-up menu. Here I chose half the normal speed. Now tap the play icon to play the video at half speed. To return to normal speed, tap on the menu dots and select normal speed from the playback speed menu. Tap the square for the default view. To see the full description, tap on the small arrow. The description contains a lot of useful information and links. Here's where you subscribe. Tap the bell to be notified of new videos. Like the video and share it with your friends. In all my lessons, I put a link in the description that lets you bypass the introduction. Just tap on the time link and you'll jump to the start of the lesson. Here's a link that takes you to Amazon.com, where you can buy watercolor materials. Tap on the info icon to see what other lessons are available. The description also has my email address and links to my Facebook and Twitter pages. Thanks for watching these tips. I hope you found it useful and helps you have fun with watercolor. Take care and see you soon.